Ayurvedic immunity booster. Let's look into the ingredients required. First ingredient is peppercorns and cumin seeds. Second is cinnamon sticks and cloves. Third is dried ginger. Fourth is fenugreek seeds. Fifth ingredient is carom seeds. Sixth ingredient is ghee. Seventh ingredient is jaggery. Eighth ingredient is lemon. Ninth ingredient is turmeric powder. And the last ingredient is a glass of water. Now let's dive into the cooking the medicine. Heat a non-stick pan and add crushed jaggery and pour a glass of water and stir well, ensuring that jaggery doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Meanwhile, in a blender's jar, add the dried ginger and blend it into a fine powder. Then remove it from the jar and blend the following ingredients: cinnamon sticks, cloves, fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds, peppercorns, carom seeds into a fine powder. Now the jaggery is all dissolved in the water. Now add the powders into the jaggery water and stir well, ensuring that there are no lumps. Let's look into the benefits of this homemade medicine. Turmeric, it's an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Jaggery boosts immunity and contains lot of minerals and antioxidants and zinc. Lemon contains vitamin C, helps in weight loss and indigestion. Ghee, it's all natural, good for health, hair and skin. Fenugreek seeds balances cholesterol, maintains liver and kidneys health. Ginger aids in digestion. Cumin improves weight loss. Pepper prevents infection. Cloves promotes bone health, fights against cancer, blood sugar. Carom seeds relieves acidity and indigestion and treats common cold. Keep stirring the mixture well, ensuring that there are no lumps and nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan. Now add the turmeric powder and mix everything well. Keep the flame on medium low so that nothing burns. Now you can see the mixture is boiling. At this point of time, add the ghee that you have. Now squeeze in one lemon juice. We do this at the end because if we do it initially, the lemon will render a bitterness towards the medicine. We can now see that the mixture is gradually thickening. The aroma is simply awesome. The medicine is almost done. The only thing left is once it's cold, roll it into small balls. Consume one in the early morning and one in the night to fight corona and other diseases by boosting your immunity.